Hello guys, now the Samsung A01 is the third A-series smartphone from Samsung in the year 2020 and it's priced at 33,800 Naira or $92. Yep, it's dead cheap, but it's still higher than the minimum wage in Nigeria. Now I know what you're thinking, for a device to cost this low, there has to be some compromise. And you're right, it has a few of them. First off, you don't get the fingerprint scanner at the front or rear of this device. What you get is the face unlock feature that is less secured, and if you don't want to use that feature, you can also use the pin, the pattern or the password feature to secure your device, just like the good old days. Another compromise you get with this device is it comes with 2 GB of RAM and a 3000 mAh battery. Hey, for 33,800 or $92, you can't really complain a lot. Now on the positive side, you get Android 10 straight out of the box. You also get Samsung One UI 2.0. You get a 3.5mm audio jack. What you don't get is USB Type-C ports. You get a dual SIM tray and a memory card slot. And this device can work on LTE network, which is impressive. Now the chassis of the Samsung A01 is made from glass. I'm just messing with you, it's made from plastic, but it feels good in the hand, it's easy to hold, and you can definitely use this device with one hand. Now this device isn't water resistant, so if you want to see me drop this device in water, hit on that like button, I know you want to. Now moving to the display of the Samsung A01, it has a TFT LCD panel, it's a 5.7-inch 720p panel, and it looks alright considering the price of this device. I'll be testing out this device extensively in my full review, so please subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on that video. Now for performance, the Achilles heel of the Samsung A01 is the 2 GB of RAM it comes with. 2 GB of RAM in year 2020 should be illegal because you can't do much with it these days. Now the saving grace is the phone comes with the Snapdragon 439 chipset. Anyways, I'll be loading this device with WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, PUBG, Asphalt 9. Let's see if the Samsung A01 can handle these applications without burning in my full review. For the cameras, well, the Samsung A01 comes with 3 cameras, 1 in the front and 2 at the rear. The front-facing camera is a 5-megapixel sensor and it's... just wait for my full review. At the rear, we have a 13-megapixel sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. They take great pictures if you're visually impaired. Here's a sample, more to come in my full review, so please subscribe. Battery capacity on this device is 3000 mAh like I said earlier on. You don't get fast charging with this device, and charging this device from 0 to 100 will be revealed in my full review. So guys, my initial impression of the Samsung A01 is it's an extremely affordable device. For 33,800 Naira or $92, it's the perfect smartphone for a 10-year-old or your grandparents. It comes with a decent processor, the Snapdragon 439 chipset. I'll be putting it through its paces to see if it can play games and multitask, but with 2 GB of RAM, I'm not sure it can keep up. Only time will tell. Let's wait for the full review. So that's it from me guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Valor, signing out.